Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to forward a Outlook meeting invite using Power Automate. This scenario is useful when you have already created a meeting, but later you realize you want to forward this meeting to another person. Without manually opening the Outlook, how we can send. To make this work, we only need two things. First one is the meeting subject and the second one is the email address. So first you need to create a meeting in Outlook. Here you can see this is our meeting. Now I will send this one. Now I want to forward this meeting to another person. This is the flow where I will show you how to create this one. Let me first run this flow and we will check how it will run. First, we need to click test, then manually, then text. So it will ask the meeting subject and one email address. As you can see, this subject and email address. So in this case, the meeting subject is Monday meeting, and I want to forward this meeting invite to party user. Let me test this flow. So now you can see our flow run successfully. So in this get event action, it will get the event which we created before here, this meeting. And after that, it will forward the meeting invite. So, so as you can see, this is the party user, as you can see, and then party received that meeting invite. So now I'll show you how to create that flow. Open the Power Automate homepage and here select the Instant Cloud Flow and give the flow name. Here I am giving the forward and Outlook meeting invite. Then select the manual trigger flow and click create. Then here we need to add two input parameters. First one is the email and the second one is the subject. So next we need to add the get event action. So here in the search, search the get event. You can see this is the get events. So in the calendar ID, we need to select the calendar. And in this advanced parameter, we need to select the filter query and order top count. So in the filter query, you need to provide subject equal to that parameter which we created in the manual trigger flow subject, and count is the first one. So this get event action will return some information. From this information, we want the meeting ID. So here I will add a compose action where we will store the event ID. This is our compose action. This is the first ID we'll get. So click on add. So after that, click on the setting and expand this get events. And I also want if this get event is failed, also that time this compose action need to run. So after that, we'll add a condition which is check this compose action have ID or not. So in the dynamic content, select this compose action output and here in the function select null. Now in the true section, we need to add a REST API call to forward this meeting invite. So select this plus icon. We need to select the first one because this event created in Outlook. We want Outlook HTTP request. So now provide our URI, and this is our URI. Inside the URI, we need to provide the that ID which is get by this get event action. So here we want method is the port method, and expand this advanced parameter and select the body. The body has this JSON content. So don't forget about this URI and this body. Do not worry about this URI and this JSON content body. I will give you one article link where you can get these two things. So next in the false section, we need to add a send an email. Because I want if the this get event action didn't find any event, so the requester who run this flow get a notification about this get event didn't find any meeting link. So select and send an email action. Send an email action. From the two parameter, select this one and expand the manual trigger flow. You need to select this user mail. So here I provide the subject name like meeting not found, and this is the body. So let's save this flow and we'll test how it will run. Now as you can see our flow is saved already. Let's test it once. Click this test button and select manually. Then click on this test. Then click on continue. Here we need to pass the email address and the subject name. So in this time, I want to forward this meeting invite to Lydia account, and this is the subject name. Then after that, click this run flow. So as you can see, now our flow runs successfully. So let's open the Lydia account, and you will see the email. As you can see, this is our email, which is forwarded by Power Automate. So now we will see the false condition. Let me just click this edit button and select again this state button and manual. Click on text. So here I'll so now I provided subject name is meeting not found. We don't have any meeting or any event. This is our email address. Then click on run flow and click done. Now it will search this meeting, and this meeting is not found, and you can see this is run, this false section will run. Now let me open the Outlook in this account. As you can see, meeting is not found. See, the meeting with subject meeting not found was not found in Outlook calendar. Please check the meeting title or try again. So this is our flow, how we can forward our Outlook meeting using Power Automate. And we already wrote a complete article about this one. I will provide this article link in the description below. And thank you so much to watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.